Welcome to the online class, children. Today we will learn GK for class 4 student. And first chapter will start. The name of the chapter is Know India. The name of the chapter is Know India. Means we have to know about India, our country. Okay. So here's many questions are given. This is a book. This book you have. Okay. And you can see so many questions are given that you have to do, by which you can know India, isn't it now? So we will solve all these GK questions. I'll give PDF form. Okay, I'll give PDF form. But here we will just, I will read out or give you the answers. Okay. Now, India, India is a union of 28 states and 9 union territories. There are 28 states are there in India and 9 union territories are there in India, isn't it now? Each and every state's union territories has a unique history, culture, dress, okay, festivals and languages. So different state, different union territories. Okay, and different union territories, different states have different type of culture, different type of tradition, different type of dress, language, festivals. Okay, so we will learn all these things. Okay, now here unscramble the letters to get the correct name of the state or union territories. So here, question 1. In which state did the Kuchipudi dance originate? Which state the Kuchipudi dance? Here the answers are given, but it is scrambled. Here and there the words are there, alphabets are there. You have to arrange in the proper way. Okay, it is not arranged in the proper way. Okay, so that we can say unscrambled words are there. So we have to arrange in the proper way. Now, so in which state did the Kuchipudi dance originate? The name of the state is Andhra Pradesh. What is the name of the state? Andhra Pradesh. Now the second question is what? Which state has a name that means 36 forts? 36 forts are there. Which state? That is Chhattisgarh. 36 forts are there. So that's why the name of the state is what? Chhattisgarh. In Hindi we say Chhattisgarh. Okay. Now, which of the smallest state in India by area, by size? Which one is the smallest state in India? So the small state is the name. What is the name? Goa. It is small in size. The area is very small. Now, next question. Which state celebrates the Bihu festival? Bihu is a festival. I told you different festival, different culture, different tradition, different dressing style. All these are varied in different states, different union territories. So like that. In which state Bihu festival we celebrate? We celebrate Bihu festival in Assam. Which state is known as a land of rising sun? Which state is called land of rising sun? Okay, so Arunachal Pradesh is a land of rising sun. Okay, in which state is Mahabodhi temple located? Mahabodhi temple, where it is located? In Bihar. Which state has the highest literacy rate in India? Where highest literacy rate means most of the people were educated, literate. 90% of the people were literate. So which state have a highest literacy rate? That is Kerala. In which state is a great Ran of Kutch located? That is Gujarat. And which state is known as a fruit bowl where lots of fruits are there? In which state we get so many fruits? Abundant of fruits were there. Himachal Pradesh. Okay. Now here next, in which state is Mysore Place located? Okay, Mysore Palace is located. Where Mysore Palace is located? In which state? So that is Karnataka. In which state? Karnataka. Mysore Palace is located. No. Now, next, which famous for Tanjore painting. So which state is famous? That is Tamil Nadu. Tanjore painting. Okay. Now, which state is known as the heart of India? Here, Madhya Pradesh is known as the heart of India because it is situated in the center of the India, isn't it? No. That's why we call it as the heart of India. Which state has Marathi as an official language? That is Maharashtra, because the Marathi language we speak in Maharashtra. In which state is the Taj Mahal located? That is Uttar Pradesh. Where Taj Mahal is located? Uttar Pradesh. Which is the largest state in India by area? That is Rajasthan. Largest area in India. It is Rajasthan. In which state is Sundarban National Park located? That is West Bengal. Sundarban National Park is located. That is West Bengal. Which state is known as a land of 5 rivers? 5 rivers are there. In which state? That is Punjab. In which state is Konark Sun Temple located? That is Odisha. Konark Sun Temple is located. Which state? Odisha. You can note it down. When I am telling all these answers, you can note it down at the same time. Okay. In which state is Hornbill Festival celebrate? That is Nagaland. Which state has Dehradun as its capital? That is Uttarakhand. The capital of Uttarakhand is Dehradun. Okay. Now, which state is famous for Chera dance? That is Mizoram. Okay. Now, which state has Imphal as its capital? The capital Imphal. Which state? Manipur. Now, in which union territory is the Hemis festival celebrate? Hemis festival, that is Ladakh. Where it is there? Where it is celebrated? Ladakh. Okay. Now, so all 23 questions are over. Here 23 questions are there. So you have to do in your copy. Particular copy you have to make for GK, and you have to, if you want to make a particular copy, you can make it for the practice. Okay. And you have to complete, you have to fulfill your book. You have to complete your book. All the questions you have to complete. Okay. Thank you.